XRP owning 500 XRP Ripple is way more than you think. Hello guys. Welcome to our channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss how XRP is way better than you think. But before we start the video, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and if you are new to the channel don't forget to subscribe before leaving. Also hit that bell icon so that you can get notified whenever we will upload a new video. For now, let's get back to the video straight away.
You want to win an iPhone 12, maybe a MacBook Pro. How about $500 cash? You decide. All you have to do is comment the secret hidden message somewhere in this video, and leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel so we can keep affording these giveaways.
The price of XRP has surged past the $1 mark over the last 24-hour period after Ripple announced that GME Remittance, one of the largest non-bank remittance service providers in South Korea, joined RippleNet. Per analytics firm Santiment, XRP's price could rally further. RippleNet, according to Ripple's website, offers connections to hundreds of financial institutions around the world via a single API and makes moving money faster, cheaper, and more reliable, and leverages the XRP token to source liquidity during cross-border transactions through its on-demand liquidity (ODL) service. Using the service, GME Remittance has connected to Thailand's largest bank in terms of market capital, Siam Commercial Bank (SCB). Traders seemingly turned bullish on the XRP token after the announcement, as the price of the cryptocurrency jumped over 18% after it was published. According to Santiment, XRP's price could keep on surging after decoupling from Bitcoin and other major cryptocurrencies if there's an uptick in the number of unique addresses interacting with the network daily, or if the number of new addresses being created surges. The cryptocurrencies used via RippleNet has been growing over time, as late last month Ripple started tapping into the nearly $2 billion a year remittance market between Japan and the Philippines through the use of ODL and the XRP token, connecting Japan's money transfer provider SBI Remit with Philippines' mobile payments firm Coins.ph and cryptocurrency exchange SBI VC Trade to open up a remittance corridor that uses on-demand liquidity between both countries. Moreover, the average daily trading volume of the XRP token has surged in the second quarter of the year, despite the ongoing legal dispute involving its largest player Ripple and the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC). According to an XRP market report published by Ripple earlier this month, the daily trading volume of the cryptocurrency doubled to $4.49 billion per day on average, up from $2.26 billion recorded during the first 3 months of the year. On Wednesday, August 11, American attorney John E. Deaton, the managing partner of the Deaton law firm, as well as the founder of CryptoLaw, talked about the significance of the recent written communication between Senator Elizabeth Warren and Gary Gensler, the chairman of the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC). Gensler was nominated on February 3, 2022, by President Joe Biden to chair the SEC. This was confirmed by the U.S. Senate on April 14, and he was sworn into office 3 days later. Before coming to the SEC, Gensler was the professor of the practice of global economics and management at the MIT Sloan School of Management. Gensler is also a former chair of the U.S. Commodity Futures Trading Commission (CFTC). American lawyer John Deaton said on Twitter yesterday that Gensler intends to place his regulatory hands around the neck of crypto. As evidence for this comment, he referred to the response letter that Gensler sent on August 5 to an information request letter that Senator Warren sent to Gensler on July 7. In her letter to Gensler, Warren said that she was writing to request information regarding the SEC's authority to properly regulate cryptocurrency exchanges and to determine if Congress needs to act to ensure that the SEC has the proper authority to close existing gaps in regulation that leave investors and consumers vulnerable to dangers in this highly opaque and volatile market. In his reply to Warren, Gensler said that currently users of crypto trading and lending platforms are not adequately protected. Gensler then went on to say, many tokens, or crypto assets, being offered on trading platforms may be unregistered securities, without required disclosures or market oversight. It is not difficult to determine what crypto assets are securities. He is presumably referring to the Howey test. Out of dozens of enforcement actions against crypto companies, the SEC has not lost even one case. Any product that provides synthetic exposure to underlying securities is subject to the securities laws. On the other hand, prominent crypto analyst Willy Woo said that, according to on-chain data, the number of users on the Bitcoin network is currently growing at its fastest rate ever. In particular, he pointed out that over the past 1 month period, 1.2 million users were added, which he went on to say is the equivalent of onboarding a country the size of El Salvador every 2 months. Dan Held, director of growth marketing at Kraken, said in his reply that WU's estimate of 1.2 million new users in 30 days is probably almost as many users gained during entire 2013 to 2014 cycle. The popular crypto analyst noted that this number excludes, off-chain, users on centralized crypto exchanges, such as Coinbase. Interestingly, on Tuesday, August 10th, Coinbase Global Incorporated, NASDAQ, Coin, announced its impressive financial results for the second quarter of 2021, and during the company's conference call with analysts, senior executives talked about growth in Coinbase's retail and institutional users. Coinbase said in its shareholder letter that it had managed to generate $2.0 billion in net revenue. $1.9 billion of this amount is transaction revenue, and the other $0.1 billion is revenues from subscription and services. The net income for the quarter was $1.6 billion, adjusted EBITDA was $1.1 billion. Coinbase also mentioned that it had 68 million verified users, and that the number of retail monthly transacting users, MTUs, increased 44% from Q1 2021 to 8.8 million. On Friday, August 13th, popular crypto analyst Lark Davis, at the Crypto Lark on Twitter, explained why he believes that the upcoming launch of Cardano's Alonzo hard fork, which provides support for smart contracts, is very bullish for $ADA. The New Zealand-based crypto influencer had this to say about the significance of Cardano being finally able to fully support the kind of decentralized applications, apps, that have made Ethereum such a popular blockchain platform. Davis said on Twitter, "Cardano smart contracts are just around the corner, which is a long-awaited and very bullish catalyst for the asset. Smart contracts are now available on the public Cardano testnet. We will soon see for Cardano native DeFi apps, and apps on other platforms, such as SushiSwap, can then integrate with Cardano to capture liquidity. Although Cardano has been able to support non-fungible tokens, NFTs, since the May hard fork went live on March 1st, and there is already a niche but growing/thriving NFT market, NFTs on Cardano should become even popular once smart contracts are enabled, since this will allow for decentralized markets. Cardano's greatest strength is its large and enthusiastic community. If all goes well with the Alonzo hard fork, after the launch on the mainnet, we could see $ADA rally a couple 100%. Later that day, i.e. August 13th, blockchain technology company IOHK, aka IOG, which is developing the Cardano protocol, announced the date for the Alonzo hard fork on the Cardano mainnet. This news has helped $ADA to extend its recent bull run. During Cardano's mid-month development update event on August 13th, Nigel Hemsley, head of delivery and products at IOHK, told Tim Harrison, marketing and communications director at IOHK, that Cardano's Alonzo hard fork combinator event has been scheduled for September 12th. This highly anticipated announcement seems to have helped $ADA to extend its recent bull run, which started around July 20th, thereby becoming the third most valuable crypto asset by market cap. According to data by TradingView, on crypto exchange Kraken, the price for $ADA, which is at the moment the third most valuable crypto asset by market cap, hit today's intraday high of $2.2486 at 0020 Universal Time Coordinated. This is not far off from the all-time high price of $2.4590, which was reached on May 16th. Currently, as of 15:05 Universal Time Coordinated on August 15th, ADA/USD is trading at $2.1073, down 4.87% in the past 24-hour period, but up 71% in the past 1-month period, and even more impressively up over 1,100% in the year-to-date period. That's it for today, guys. We will see you next time. Until then.